A for ant. B for banana. C for camel. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fox. G for goat. H for house. I for ink. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lion. M for mobile.